The radio plays an extremely important role in all of our lives for many generations. Our grandparents, our parents, and even us, the radio seems to have sort of reinvented itself and plays an extremely important role in our lives today.
Today on the show, we're exploring the world of radio. What happens inside a radio station? Who decides what goes on air? Which songs you're going to be humming for the rest of the day?
And besides that, we're also looking at the different jobs and careers that you can have in a radio station and what sort of person you need to be to work over here.
भाई मैं ऑफिस में काम कर रहा हूँ।
मैं क्या मजे ले रहा हूँ? मैं भी काम ही कर देता हूँ, ये मेरा काम है।
मिलोगे मुझे इसलिए?
नहीं, 2 मिनट दे दे।
मेरा ही नंबर है, बोलो क्या बोला?
नहीं, ये नया लड़का आया ना तो आपसे बात कर रहा था। आप गंदा किसको बोल? आपने गंदा किसको बोला है?
मैंने तो किसी को नहीं बोला।
मैं खाली बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे।
ठीक है मैडम, मैंने तो कोई फोन नहीं।
फोन उठा के आप बोल रहे खाली बैठी हूँ। मैं बिल के रिगार्डिंग फोन किया।
बिल वो आपके बंदा था जिसने भी फोन किया था।
कौन? मैं? मेरी बात कर रहा है?
अबे तू
यार मैं सॉरी,
है?
तू काट रहा है इसलिए आवाज बदलनी पड़ी थी यार। मैं गंदा नहीं बोल, तू गंदा छीछी नहीं बोलना। नहीं मेरी कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ तेरी, हम सब की एक बस। तू ही रख देना, इतना बुरा लग रहा है तो।
अरे okay.
So this is Ronak's studio. This is where he sits every single day. We're going to talk a bit about his job, what he likes about it.
Welcome.
What are some things that you do and your viewers don't?
Sure, please come here. Sit. So Super Hits 93.5 Red FM का studios है ये.
Have you always wanted to be an RJ for a long time? Or?
Not at all actually, because I finished my MBA in the year 2008.
Okay.
And I started my MBA and All India Radio Mumbai together.
Okay.
In Mumbai. So while I was doing my MBA thing and I finished it and I joined a retail company as a supply chain manager there. So in those 3 years when I was working part-time with All India Radio, मेरे को ऐसा realize हुआ कि I think this is something which can be worked out. तो थोड़ा इसको करना चाहिए.
What is the best part that you like about your job, that you get excited about coming to work every day?
Basically, I don't consider this thing as a job. Because when I gave, I think, around 9 to 10 interviews in Red FM. So they selected me after 10 interviews. Now they just select people in 1 interview. That's why the quality is... Sorry. So, 10 interviews के बाद उन लोगों ने लिया. And the best thing which they liked about me is कि I never considered this thing as a job. Okay. So, if we have done shows like 3 days, 4 days at stretch. So, रात भर हमने जग के यहाँ पे shows किए हैं. बाकी जो बात करना है वो बात कर सकते हैं. हाँ, थोड़ा सा we just need to be a little careful because we are sitting in Delhi.
Yeah.
और नेता लोग सुनते हैं. तो इसलिए.
What are some tips or advice for those who want to become an RJ or who are considering getting into radio? What would you want to tell them?
You just need to listen to the radio thing properly, because when I was in Mumbai,
Listen to the radio a lot. Just
yes,
get used to it.
all the RJs, because everybody who is on air, all of them are good.
Yeah.
That's why they are on air. They have a particular quality जिसके वजह से they are little bit so they have a USP, वो थोड़ा सा unique है. So overall you just need to listen to the radio shows, all the RJs, go and hang around in the city. कौन क्या कैसे कर रहा है, तो observe भी करोगे, आपका खुद का भी होगा, so सब मिला जुला के the better product will come out.
You were talking about qualities earlier. So what kind of qualities do you think make a good RJ? Of course, observant and listening to everything, but what are some other things?
It's not about the quality basically, you just need to relate with somebody, because you can't sell everything to everybody.
Yeah.
Right. Probably what I'm talking you don't like, or this guy likes it. So उस हिसाब से whatever you're talking, if you are talking really genuinely, so it will reach. People will accept it. Because when we started Bahua,
नमस्ते अंकिल, मैं ही बहुआ बोल रहा हूँ।
so when we started Bahua, we didn't think too much about it कि ये चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. We just kept doing it. So after 1 year, we just got to know, because we sit in such a small studio. यहाँ पे हमको मालूम नहीं पड़ता. जो हम करते हैं, producer हिमांशु भाई, हम लोग जो करते हैं, we just think कि it is the best thing which we are giving. Outside, what are the things happening outside, we don't know. तो उस चक्कर में क्या होता है कि कभी-कभी एक ऐसी चीज़ निकल के आ जाती है जो पब्लिक को कनेक्ट हो जाए. It just works. So like
बहुआ, so when I say hello uncle,
so now people call me and say hello uncle, बहुआ बोल रहा. So they also try to imitate बहुआ and things. So you just need to be like eyes and ears should be open.
Yeah.
You just you should be ready to accept everything, and then put it the way you want to put it.
What are, I mean, you've talked about all the good and fun things about being an RJ, but what are some of the challenges or drawbacks that you feel?
When your mood is not good, when you're upset, then also you have to smile.
And be peppy and
Be peppy.
active.
That's the, I think, the most challenging thing. If you'll ask any other RJ, they'll also tell you the same thing. यार mood खराब होता है फिर भी हंसना पड़ता है, joke मारने पड़ते हैं. You know, and if you talk about the morning show, morning number 1, which starts at 6 a.m. in the morning, तो रात को अगर कुछ हुआ है या early morning कुछ mood खराब हो गया तो 6 बजे भी आके you have to smile. So that is a bit challenging thing. But yeah, generally after half an hour का show or 1 hour का show, we are back to the normal things.
Normal, yeah. Ronak's going to take us a bit around Red FM and show us all the different departments and who are all those people who help put him on air and help create the show. He's going to walk around a bit with Abhishek and show us now.
Sure. First of all, Himanshu bhai, he's in the studio. So probably जितना time मैं studio में रहता हूँ, उतना time Himanshu भी studio में रहते हैं. He's the producer. आप इनका चेहरा एक बार दिखा सकते हैं. He's photogenic guy. Yeah, he's Himanshu.